everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add two effects in one clips on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video like this, I wanna show you this is the original video like this. In here, I wanna try to add two effects in one clip. So you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, and then click a video effect, and in here you can search the effect that you want to add. Maybe nature, and this one from a snowstorm. Click on snowstorm, and then after this you can click a check icon and set the effect until the end of the video. So it has been down add one effect, so I wanna add a second effect. So you just click on a video effect again, and then search the effect that you want to add. Maybe this one is a lightening effect, so you just click on it, or search another one, maybe this one, and then please waiting, and okay, please waiting. Okay, and then after this you can click check icon in here. Now you set the second effect until the end of the video. And then so that how to add two effects in one clips on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.